Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock the applications with the passcode or Face ID with iPhone. So before doing that, you just need to make sure that you already activate the passcode or activate the lock for your phone with the passcode or Face ID by open the settings and go click this part. And after you activate the Face ID and passcode, you just need to open the shortcuts. Open your app library and you just need to tap shortcuts and just go click them. Whenever it's open, you just need to take a look on this bottom side here. There will be 3 sections. Go click this automations. To lock the application, you just need to go create the new automation by click this plus button on the top right corner, and you just need to keep scrolling down until you found app. And right after that, you just need to choose is open rather than is closed, and you just need to change from after confirmations into run immediately. And now you just need to pick the application that you want to lock by go click this choose. Now let's say here I will like to lock this application, and you just need to go click done. Now you just need to go click next. Now the next thing you need to do is just go click this new blank automations, and you just need to type in the search button here lock screen. And whenever you got them, you just need to click it. And now you just need to go click done. You already got this automation, and let's just try to open the application that we just locked. Open the application. I called the Bibit. Click it and it will be locked. It's locked. So that is the way, guys, how to lock the application with passcode and Face ID. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll like to see you for the next tutorial.